Hi, I'm DJ Shub, aka Dan General, from originally from Six Nations, for living in Ottawa and a part of Tribe Called Red.
I'm DJ Indian, aka Ian Campo, Nipissing First Nations, Ojibwe.
I'm Bear Witness, Cuba, Six Nations.
Well, that's what we're doing. We're taking our culture, we're taking Aboriginal politics, and we're wrapping it in music, and we're smacking you across the head with it.
You know, since we started and since we started getting like a little bit popular, people have owned, Aboriginal people and First Nation people all over North America have owned our music really quickly. Like they've fully been like, okay, this represents us in today's society. So yeah, everywhere we travel, it seems to be like very welcoming and very respected as like, oh, these guys get us.
Yep, good to go.
I don't think it's an accident or a coincidence that A Tribe Called Red and Idle No More is happening to the first generation that weren't forced into residential schools. Well, I think that it doesn't matter how much people take away from our music, as long as they're being producers and being DJs, our job is to make people dance. So if we're making people dance, then we've done our job. If they get what we're doing, like in the subtext, that's an added bonus, I find, for what we're doing.
Later, we played in Montreal, opening up for Major Lazer, and Diplo, to a group of friends afterwards, introduced us as some of the most cutting-edge DJs. Nothing about being Aboriginal, just that we were cutting-edge DJs. So getting that respect from both sides, I think, has been one of the things that's made this project so special.